Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to delete all the cache files on your phone, on your Android phone. This is the easiest way to delete all the cache. First we go to the settings and then apps. These are all the installed apps on your phone. So what you're gonna do is you have to manually delete all the cache files on your apps. Like for example, YouTube. Go to YouTube, tap it, and then go to storage, and then clear cache. So you're going to repeatedly do this process until you clear all the cache. This is the easiest way to clear the cache files on your phone, on your Android phone. So guys, hope you learned something, and thank you. Goodbye.